A 2-year veteran of the Seattle Police Department is on administrative leave after he allegedly hit another police officer and strangled the officer's 17-year-old son. The incident was reported last August after a backyard barbecue hosted by another Seattle officer. A police report says that officer, Caleb Howard, was off duty and was drinking heavily at the party. The report says he began wrestling the teenage boy and then began, quote, aggressively forcing the teen's face into the concrete patio. When the boy's father tried to intervene, Howard struck him in the face using a closed fist. Charges were not filed until February of this year, and documents filed in court do not mention that Howard is a Seattle police officer. Howard is set to go to trial July 23rd. In a statement, the Seattle Police Department says it referred this case to the Office of Police Accountability and launched a separate criminal investigation into the allegations. Once complete, SPD investigators referred their case to prosecutors for consideration of charges.